friends, welcome to Techno Spot. Today I'll be showing you how to connect your Android mobile to PC without a USB cable. Make sure you connect your mobile device and PC to the same network. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, you need to go to Play Store and then search for ES File Explorer. Now install it and open it. Now you need to slide it to the right and go to network. Under network you will see remote manager. Click on that. Now you should make sure that your mobile device and the PC is on the same network. Then click on turn on. After that, let's go to PC. First of all, you need to go to My Computer. Then right click on a blank space. Then you will find an option called Add Network Location. Click on that. Now a network location wizard will open. Now you have to click on Next. Then click on Choose a custom network location and click Next. Now we need to type in the address that appeared on our mobile device while turning on remote server. After typing the address, click Next. Now you can tick on Log on anonymously if you don't want a username and password prompt each time you connect your mobile device to the computer. Click Next and give a name for your network location. I am giving my phone's name. Click Next and click on Finish. That's it friends. Now you can access your mobile wirelessly.